Hi everyone, this is CK. I hope you are all fine. Today I want to show you my Job Tribes cosplay challenge. Next video we are going to make together the skirt. So just to start, I take the veil fabric and put it in a special machine to make a roulotte. It's a nice finishing. I really like it. Then I take a special chalk to trace the pattern of the belt part. It looks like big wings on the back. So I take my chalk and my reference image and try to copy the pattern twice. I will cut this piece with scissors in two materials. First the lining, the blue lining, and second the veil with printed feathers. Then you just have to pin together all parts and stitch at 5 mm from the border. Then just cut at 2 mm from your stitch and don't forget to cut out the angles. I leave a tiny space of 3 cm just to turn inside out my piece of fabric. For this you can use whatever tools you want, just not too sharp. After I iron everything well, and ta-da! This is the final result. Okay, so now I took my iron cutter to took off some pieces of tulle from my embroidery patches. I repeat the process on every part, and I gonna stitch them on my belt. And this is how it will look like. I gonna stitch everything by hand, adding some little beads and sparkles. Then I am going to gather the top of the skirt fabrics. For this, I use a different point on my classic sewing machine. It's a longer one. Here is a very easy step. I did a very complete tutorial about this step, so just follow the video in link. And after a lot more beads and end stitching on the top of these skirts, here is the final result. Wanna see? Here we go. Please don't look at the mess on my crafting room. But here is the final result. Please tell me if you like it in comment. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!